channel HomeBakes. Today I'm going to show you all how to make almond and coconut cookies. So let's get started. First you will just require a large tray and just line it with parchment paper and just keep it aside. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of desiccated coconut, half a cup of finely chopped almonds, 1 egg, half a cup of pure coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. First thing what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add my baking soda and my baking powder to the flour and the almonds, crushed almonds, to the all-purpose flour. You can put your almonds into a food processor, but I have just cut mine very finely so that I get small bit pieces in my mouth. You can make a powder if you wish. This is a very easy recipe. I'm not using any stand mixer. I'm just putting everything into my bowl and just mixing it. So first I'll take my sugar. Now here I'm using pure coconut oil. Now in case you're using cold pressed coconut oil, see that you just measure it, half cup of it, and then just warm it a bit and leave it on your kitchen counter and then use it. Now just beat 1 egg. Now add the flour with the almonds. See that it is well combined. Now add the desiccated coconut. Here I am using today the desiccated coconut. You can take a coconut and just grate it, and then you can just run it into your mixer and make a paste of it. See that you measure 2 cups. Once this is all well combined, my cookie dough is ready. And my dough is ready. Before starting, you should just preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now what I'm doing is I have a ice cream scoop this thing here. So I'm just taking one scoop of this and just placing it on my tray. I am using this ice cream scoop spoon so that I get equal dose, equal cookies, sorry. You can just take your hands and just approximately make how big or how small you want. So my cookies are done. I have got approximately 15 cookies. Now I'm going to put them in the oven to bake for 12 to 15 minutes. But do keep a check on them because your oven temperatures could be a little different. My cookies are ready. Do check them out. They look so gorgeous. Do try them. Do try the cookies and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my video, and hopefully I will see you next time again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.